We believe in making ambitious ideas possible. That's why we partner with engineers, OEMs, and industry leaders to mold those ideas into clearer designs, better prototypes, faster production runs, and more sustainable final parts. Whether it's collaborating with environmentalists to propel renewable energies even further, helping design the aeronautical components that help us all fly higher, or reshaping the future of human ability, we believe engineering the possible shouldn't be constrained by the choice of materials. Our specialist expertise, deep industry knowledge, and the widest range of polymer solutions and advanced composite materials, alongside our global commitment to sustainability and well-being, makes us the perfect partner in possibility. Working together, our mission is to give back more than we take by advancing our industry in ways that also enhance the world. So here's to more. More collaboration, more innovation, more imagination. Here's to making even more possible.